Here, so the inspector, where did it go? A lot of MuseScore 3 users have been reaching out. I'm going to be doing this video on the fly. I made some quick notes. So basically, if you've been using MuseScore for a while, you're definitely used to MuseScore 3, and you might be looking for the inspector and wondering where it went. Well, I'll tell you where it went. It went bye-bye. The inspector is now called properties, and there's a part of that trips people up. We keep going to the right of the panel over here, trying to figure it out. So what we're going to do is, once you enable it, the properties is actually more powerful, and it streamlines what you need to do. So just in case if you forgot, you can go ahead to the View tab, so up to the left here, and I'm going to click on Properties, and it should show up over here, so you can see that. And what's really cool about it, you can look at dynamics or notes, so I'm going to just click on this one note. All right, and then these options come up and tell me what I want to do. So you can do a lot of exploring. Let's click on a dynamic, forte, we'll put that in there. Other things come up here, voices, let's see the slurs. So it's really dialed in, and this is a pretty quick video, but just remember that sometimes softwares change, hopefully for the development of the software in mainstream. I get it. I wish I didn't have to teach when students are on their cell phones. Okay, I've been around for a while. And I'm Jim. Thank you for watching this video. I've been around for a while. What's kept me employed is probably MuseScore. So thank you, because I go in and move notes around. I have a concert tomorrow, and if you look at the program, this is kind of scary. It's not for an ego for me at all. Every piece is either arranged or composed, because the landscape of music education, at least where I work and throughout the nation, has changed dramatically. And so it's kind of intense. It's kind of weird after teaching for this many years, and some of the ensembles, especially instrumental, I've arranged everything, and it's from MuseScore. So that's my background, and I, for some reason, decided to be crazy, and I wrote a piano method book. I'm glad I did. So I've used a lot of Dorico and a lot of MuseScore and Finale Guy. So if you want to follow me, great, because I am going to try to, monetize this channel in 2026. And that is my speech at the end of the video, because if you like me, that means you're still here, and I appreciate it. I'm also going to do some, not blogs, what do you call them? Podcasts, but nothing major. I just want to share journeys as a teacher. And since it's the internet, I'm going to share maybe some challenges, but also just all the good. Because in the internet, everything can be pretty insane in regards to people getting views and how teachers aren't respected and all that. But anyway, thanks. Hopefully this helps. Just remember, properties is your friend now. Inspector, bye-bye. Take care. Reach out if you have questions. Let me know what you need help with.